Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinkercad designer shoutout. So let's get cracking. Friends, today's shoutout is based on Drake's awesome sculpture project. I gave this to a few of my students, and let me show you what 6th grader Nathan created. So friends, this is what Nathan created. He added notes. This is called the Mamon. Down here is the sphere. It was steps 5. That's what he built it from. Over here he imported the light sword. It is awesome. He made his own little helmet. And he's got a person fighting the spider. Now, I love so many things about this, but my favorite part is, just like I mentioned in the video, he found a famous sculpture and recreated it on his own. So friends, if you look up the Mamon sculpture like Nathan did, this is the image that you start with, and then he made it look like that. So fun, so slick, and what a great way to learn a little bit of history and then also share the history by creating a share link and sharing it with me. Nathan, you did a fantastic job, and I absolutely love your creativity. Friends, remember, if you ever make an awesome sculpture or any other amazing project you want to share with me, it is so simple. Click on this icon, generate a link, copy that link, and then you can reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also track me down on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. If those options are not available to you, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com. I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of amazing lessons. And then down at the bottom is a sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your information, and reach out to me almost instantly. Friends, I do also want to highlight the Tinkercad Community Discord. If you click that link, you can accept the invite. You can see we already have 220 members, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. I also want to quickly highlight the Designer Showcase. It has the designer directory with so many profiles of amazing Tinkercad users. Friends, remember, when you click on this, you can track down the amazing designs, and when you see one you think is cool, make sure you reach up and give it a reaction. Giga Rider, those are awesome. I do also want to highlight the Tinkercad Design Nuclear Reactor. It's called the Nuclear Reactor because we're hoping to get way more reactions. Friends, there's a tutorial. You simply add a design link, and then friends, you can click on the reactor and you can see everybody's amazing designs. One cool thing I will note, if you click up here on the timestamp and sort it from Z to A, you'll have all the newest ones right in front of you. It only takes a moment to click on them and give them an awesome reaction for the cool things they're creating. Friends, in wrapping up, I want to say thanks again to Nathan. Dude, this is fantastic and a really fun use of the sculpture project. Of course, friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.